my friends, today I want to show you how I make money with my application for game Settler, and I show you how I win. Let's go. This is 1xBet, my account, my actual balance, fresh date and fresh time. You see, this is my phone. Oh. Settler, and look how work my application. Look at this. Enter your 1xBet account ID. This is my 1xBet account ID, and I enter my ID. Okay, look. Okay, let's go. Connecting with my account. Okay, how work my application? I'm choose numbers. I want set 555. I want set 555. Okay. Set 555. Okay, send and okay. And I place a bet and go. Yes, you see guys, 555. Look, my set is win. Look my balance. Yeah, I win money because 555 is win. Yes. Next, I want set 1 2 3. I want set 1 2 3. Enter 1 2 3. Okay. Send and okay. Place a bet. Yes, you see guys, see, look, win 1 2 3. Look my balance. Yeah, it's amazing guys. Yes, you see, my application is real work. I play and I win. And now I take my money on my Visa card. Look. And this is my Telegram channel. If you want my application, write me in my Telegram channel. Write me guys. And you see, look, this is my account ID. My account ID, guys. And I win this money with my application, and I wait new status, wait my money on my Visa card, and you can do it like me. Write me in my Telegram channel. I like it.